Bought my car discreet, they couldn't see just who I was. Listened to some beats, I wanted peace but needed love. Wishing they could see they wanted me for what I've done, and not for who I be. Listen to everything my granny taught me. She never knew it all, but did her best to try and stop me from being street, and she succeeded. But the lessons that I needed came from grieving. Instead, she had to pass for me to see it. I hope she see me being everything I ever wanted. I done made a couple dollars, but I never really flaunted, cause my memory was haunted. I reminisce on every day my mother was exhausted. Coming home from work, I never knew how much it costed. My heart was never selfish, but my mind was. Looking to the future, can't no metaphors define us. Give it to you straight so you can hear just what I say. And if you look into the future, on the top is where you find us. Yeah. I look up in the sky when I'm feeling down. Tell me what you saying when no one around. Trouble on my mind, it's too much to count. Maybe it's just a cycle, like I said before. I was raised around wolves, I was bred for war. Bringing way more than what you ready for. Yeah, a lot of people wanna be me but can't take the pressure. You looking moody for them cameras but ain't face depression. You talking daily about your wins but never face rejection.